half hour in line for this thing. It would be amazing. We're about to make this better, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just pick this for you. Okay, let's go.
Hey, it's Hollywood. We're gonna make a chicken sandwich. That's good. We are going to start with 1 cup buttermilk, 4 chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. I'm leaving the fat on. Juicy and yummy. To our buttermilk, we go ahead and add roughly a tablespoon of the Smash Bros hot sauce. Then whisk. Check out the hot sauce recipe in another video. About a teaspoon minced garlic, jarlic. Not 1, but 1.5 tablespoons kosher salt. Give that a whisk. Good enough. Now we glove up. We add the chicken. We want all the chicken coated nicely so we can get some of that flavor from the buttermilk, the salt, the hot sauce, and the garlic. And obviously our dry mixture, once we're ready to fry, needs to stick to something. We'll let this chill in the fridge for about 4 hours and we'll come back. For our spicy mayo, we'll take some mayo helmets. Then we got our half-ish cup of mayo. I'm gonna take the Smash Bros hot sauce, about a tablespoon. Look at the color, look at the color. Give that a mix. All right, that's good. We're gonna put that in the cold-ifier with the chicken, so we're ready to fry. Hey, it's 4 hours later. So our chicken that's been marinating in the buttermilk, hot sauce, salt. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. It's just in there. It's been marinating. It's good. It smells good. It's raw chicken. So we're gonna get our flour mix ready. I have here 2 cups AP flour. To that, we are going to add, talking about 2 tablespoons of regular old cornstarch.
Once again, what does AP stand for?
All-purpose flour.
Okay.
It's that all-purpose
There's
flour.
lots of different kinds of flour. Semolina flour, cake flour, bread flour. Lots of flour. Alright, so we've got our 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to add a tablespoon of the kosher salt. A teaspoon of black pep. A tablespoon of smoked paprika.
Don't burn it. Smoke it, don't burn it.
Smoke it.
Don't actually smoke the paprika. That's not what I meant.
So that was a half teaspoon of ground Chipotle chilies. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder.
Make that boy heaping.
Alright, so that's all we're going to throw into our dry for now. Make sure that is thoroughly thoroughly mixed. Don't want someone getting one bite of, you know, all the salt or all the chipotle. Okay, now, it's very important. We're going to take some of our marinade here and we're going to put it in here. A couple spoons worth. Not an exact measurement until it starts looking right. That gives you those super extra crispy bites. So mix that up. So you can see you'll get like a little chunk like that stuck on your chicken. It'll just be a crunchy, delicious little morsel. Okay, our oil is at 350. We actually got it too hot and cool it down a little bit. Okay, we've got our little crunchy bits all up in there, just waiting to make friends with the chicken. So we're gonna take one of our chicken thighs, put it up in there, cover it thoroughly. Ooh. Push down kind of hard. Push down firmly. Pack it up on in there. Move the little flaps and folds if there's any in your chicken thigh, which I guarantee there will be. Okay, that is looking good. You can see we've got some crunchy bits stuck up on it. So we are going to get this into our oil. Again, our oil is at 350. So, little dust off. We don't want to shake off the crunchies. Okay, for our oil, I've got 2-3 inches of oil. I also have a massive pot. You do not want to fill the pot very full of oil. The displacement of the chicken breast will raise the level of oil. If the oil goes above pot, it will spill out. You could light your, kitchen on fire. No one wants to do that, right? So, big pot, little oil. Okay, so this one's done. Ready to go in. Little shake off. We're not trying to shake all the good crunchies off. We're gonna dip it in and fold it away from us so it doesn't splash up into our face or anything. There we go. And we will start our next one. I'm only going to do one at a time because, well, it'll take longer to fry if it's got more than one chicken thigh in there. And if you have a big, giant pot of oil, like a wide pot, go ahead. Or an actual deep fryer, do your thing. Take a look, see here. Pro tip, you're going to want a rack for the drippy, because you don't want a super soggy chicken boy. Okay. We're going to take a peek here, give it a flip. Look at that. Okay. Alright, we're at about 8.5 minutes or so. I will temp this, obviously, to make sure it's over 165 degrees. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Just safe, edible chicken.
Yeah, Wendy's.
Got it.
Oh, no,
Alright, we're going to let that drip on our rack. I'm just going to make this one for now, then we're going to make the rest for the boys later. So, next step. We are going to take a pan with a brioche bun from one of our local bakeries. Give them a shout out in the next one. Just going to toast those up. You want that good and brown so it doesn't soak up all the mayo. Okay, first we're going to take our bottom bun.
Toasted.
Toasted. Hit it with our Mayo hot sauce. mixture. Okay, next, we're gonna take some awesome pickles. We like these here at Smash Bros, the Grillos. Whole thing's covered with the pickle. We want that. Next, we're gonna mayo top bun. Be generous. Now, for the chicken. Did you hear that?
Oh my goodness. I heard it. Nice and wispy.
Ooh. Let's give her a cut in half. See what we're working with here.
That's that boy.
Now that's a chicken sandwich. I know you heard that crunch. Just look at this little nub from the side. Oh, you should cheers it. Sure you bite into a crunch.
Jeez, you just look at it, you can already tell it's gonna be better.
Yeah,
All right.
you're welcome.
Holy smokes.
Wow.
You outdid yourself this time.
That's a good one.
You hit that on the head, my friend.
Well then. How is it, my boy?
I don't want to talk. I just want to eat. You made a better chicken sandwich than Popeyes.
Did we win the sandwich war?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Was I supposed to do this?
Yeah.